First of all, everybody has completed those sums 1 to 25, or any of you didn't got the time? Yes, everybody is done. Hello, everybody.
Yes.
Is, no, you have done, but I'm asking others. Others have done. Ananya, you have done.
Yes, sir.
Law of motion you have practiced for the exam, or blindly you wrote the exam? Ananya, you had practiced law of motion, or directly you wrote the exam?
No, sir, I practiced.
No, but when it was 1 to 100, I think that to all sums revised, from that only something comes. I don't understand why you will go wrong. Except one or two, you may not remember. If this is happening, then it is really tension to be worried up. Force F acts on a body in y direction. Work done by this force during the displacement from y equals to minus a to plus a. So work done is F dy का integration y is minus a to y equal to plus a. Ay square plus by plus c. Ay square plus by plus c dy from y equal to minus a to plus a. That is a y raised to 3 upon 3 by square upon 2 plus c y from minus a to plus a. So this becomes a into a cube upon 3 plus b into a square upon 2 plus c into a, one term, minus of a into minus a raised to 3 upon 3 plus b minus a square upon 2 plus c into minus a. So we get answer as a raised to 3 upon 3 plus ba square upon 2 plus ca. This will be minus plus a cube upon 3 minus b a square upon 2 minus ca plus. This will get cancelled. So 2 times a square by 3 plus 2 times ca. So it has option. Option B. Option B is the answer. Ayush, where you went wrong in this?
So why did BA cancelled?
Plus minus will get cancelled. Equal opposite. Plus 2 minus 2 will get cancelled. No?
So that will also
Sir,
be
but
plus only, no?
it's square.
No. Minus ka square is plus. And when you open the bracket, plus into minus is minus. No?
Oh, okay, yeah. Done, sir.
Now from 16 to 20, any doubt, difficulty?
Sir, 16.
16. Aniket, how many hours you are practicing now?
Sir, only physics.
Only physics, yes.
Sir, 1.5 to 2.
मतलब एवरेज में 2 hours पकड़ लेता हूँ मैं, 2 max है.
Yes.
No college na nowadays? Still you have college?
No college.
Any test from college?
No, sir.
No. I think there will be some from class. Any test
No,
from
sir.
your? क्या बात कर रहे हैं यार, ऐसा कैसा हो सकता है? क्लास ने टेस्ट बंद कर दिया आपका?
सर, क्लासेस में कॉलेज में नहीं.
नहीं, कॉलेज जाने दो अभी. क्लासेस में है टेस्ट चालू.
सर, अभी जस्ट शुरू हुआ है.
But that won't be daily ना?
No, sir.
What time you get up? Tell me fast. 10 o'clock?
Around 10.
10. 11 बजे तक तैयार हो जाते हो?
हाँ, sir.
With breakfast everything fresh होके 11 o'clock तक I think you are ready.
No, sir. 11:30 breakfast के साथ.
अरे ब्रेकफास्ट मतलब क्या, पूरा लंच डिनर एक साथ? 11:30. तो फिर आपका आधा घंटा तो फिर ये पचाने के लिए लगता होगा. उसके बाद लगता है 12:30 तक योगा करते रहेंगे आप.
No, sir.
I think you don't begin your day before 12:30. ये लेक्चर में डायरेक्ट बैठते हो, इसके पहले कुछ नहीं करते हो.
हाँ, sir.
हाँ, तो फिर आपका दिन स्टार्ट हुआ 12:30 से मेरे हिसाब से. ठीक है, चलेगा अगर पूरा इतना स्टडी किया है. 12:30 to 1:30 और मैक्स टू मैक्स till 2 we have class. अभी इसके बाद you are free till I think 2 o'clock you study.
Yes, sir.
till 2. अभी आप मुझे बताओ कि 2 से 2 मतलब 12 आवर्स में आप फिजिक्स खाली 2 ही घंटा पढ़ते हैं, तो अगला 10 घंटे खाली बायो और केमिस्ट्री पढ़ते हो क्या? हाँ,
नहीं सर, मतलब बायो और केमिस्ट्री का कवर करना बच्चा है, वो बैकलॉग फिनिश कराऊंगा.
नहीं, आपने बोला 2 घंटा आप पढ़ते हो फिजिक्स, बराबर?
यस सर.
और टाइम आपके पास 12 आवर्स है, तो ये 10 घंटा, इसमें 5 घंटा केमिस्ट्री, 5 घंटा बायो कर रहे हो क्या?
नो सर.
2 घंटा मैंने खाने के लिए निकाल दिया, तो 4 घंटा बायो और केमिस्ट्री कर रहे हो.
सर केमिस्ट्री 3 आवर्स करता हूँ, बॉटनी 2 और जूलॉजी 2.
अच्छा, तो फिजिक्स को ऐसा क्यों नाइंसाफी इसके साथ? इसमें भी ऐसा कर दो ना, पार्ट 1 2 आवर्स, पार्ट 2 2 आवर्स.
ओके सर.
बाकी को जूओ आप बॉटनी बोलते हो, उसको ऑर्गेनिक और इनऑर, इसको ही पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 करो, इसका भी 2-2 घंटा प्रैक्टिस करो. देखो, आपको मार्क खींच के लाना है, मार्क मिलेगा थोड़ी ऐसे जाके डायरेक्ट. को खींचने के लिए क्या क्या करना है आपको सोचना है फिर बराबर. प्लीज वर्क
Yes.
वेरी हार्ड, बिकॉज 140 के नीचे जो भी लोग ला रहे हैं मार्क विदाउट अगर कास्ट एडवांटेज, तो डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन होगा एंड में. से आई डोंट नो हाउ द पेपर विल बी. इफ पेपर इज डिफिकल्ट देन 120 भी चलेगा, पर पेपर इजी है तो कम से कम 140 चाहिए. चलो 16 सम. 16. Force acting on the particle is given by 2I cap plus 3J cap newton. Work done by this force is 0. Work done by this force is 0. The particle, हाँ ये अच्छा सुना. The particle is moved on the line 3y plus kx equals to 5. That means kx plus 3y minus 5 is 0. Here what is value of k? Ayush, you did this?
Yes, sir.
Work done 0 when it is possible, when force and displacement का line आपस में perpendicular है ना.
Yes.
तो ये थोड़ा मैथ्स रिलेटेड है. When अब ये फोर्स I कैप 2 जब मतलब ये भी along certain plane है ना, xy plane. So when F bar is perpendicular to S bar, then work done is 0. अब ये I कैप J कैप में नहीं है, तो I won't take dot product. But I know if two lines are perpendicular, then product of slope is -1. Are you remembering this from 10th? This you remember from 10th?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So फर्स्ट वाले का स्लोप इनटू सेकंड वाले का स्लोप -1 होना चाहिए. फर्स्ट वाला f का स्लोप tan theta is y coordinate upon x coordinate, so it is 3/2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
For f bar, tan theta is 3/2. Therefore m1 is 3/2 मिला मुझे. चलो अभी m2 क्या मिलेगा? m2 is ax plus by plus c वाला इक्वेशन में minus a upon b. So it is minus k upon 3. Got it?
Yes, sir.
देखो चाहिए तो फिर से एक बार लिखता हूँ. फर्स्ट आप कॉपी करो इतना तक. This copy this much. This much copy. K equals to 2. Aryan Singh, you are there? Both Aryans?
Yes, sir.
नहीं, दोनों जन नहीं हो शायद.
Yes, sir.
आर्यन आपका मार्क देखा आपने?
Yes, sir.
इसका मतलब आपने लॉ ऑफ मोशन प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं किया है ना?
हाँ सर, वो करता हूँ और एमसीक्यू प्रैक्टिस कर.
नहीं, पर मैंने तो क्लास में कराया सबके साथ आपको, तो आपने तभी उस टाइम पे किया ही नहीं.
किया सर.
ऐसा कैसे? मुझे तो नहीं लगता आपने किया रहेगा. नहीं तो ऐसा हो सकता है आपको 170 के नीचे मिले, या तो आपने काम किया ही नहीं रहेगा, खाली सब डाउट पूछ रहे थे, वो इतने ही सॉल्व किया. करेक्ट?
Yes.
आपने सॉल्व किया था सब एक एक सम?
पूरा नहीं किया था सर.
नहीं, मैंने पूरा रखा भी तो नहीं था, 1 to 100 ही रखा था.
Yes, sir.
तो आपने उतना किया नहीं होगा ना?
Yes, sir.
ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हो? लेकिन जब मैं इतना सिस्टमेटिक बोलता हूँ, आपको बर्डन भी नहीं देता हूँ, तो भी नहीं कर रहे हो, तो और कर क्या रहे हो आप फिर करके? हाँ आर्यन,
Yes, sir.
क्या कर रहे हो आप? पूरे पक गए हो लगता है.
नहीं सर.
हाँ, ये तो यही दिखा रहा है कि पूरा सैचुरेट होगा, मन ही नहीं कर रहा है. मन को चेंज करो.
Yes.
बिकॉज देखो, 1 साल आपका बचेगा, नहीं तो आपको रिपीट करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि डॉक्टर तो आपको बनना है. इस साल नहीं बनोगे तो अगले साल बनोगे.
Yes,
लेकिन
sir.
1 साल बच जाएगा तो अच्छा है ना?
Yes, sir.
अब मन में किधर मत रखो क्या होएगा. जो होएगा वो देखा जाएगा. बट वर्क
Yes,
हार्ड सो दैट यू सेव दैट ईयर ना. नहीं तो फिर नेक्स्ट ईयर आपको मजबूत पढ़ाई करना और डॉक्टर बनना ही है आपको.
हाँ सर.
हाँ, ठीक है, मैं बात करता हूँ पेरेंट्स से. यश, वेयर आर यू?
Yes, sir.
व्हाई यू आर नॉट पंक्चुअल यश?
Sir,
हाँ, what is problem with you? You are not punctual. Yes.
no, sir.
देखो, पेपर भी
Totally.
आपने एकदम लास्ट मोमेंट पे भेजा. मंडे का पेपर आपने ट्यूसडे भेजा.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
तो ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हो आप?
Sorry, sorry.
इस तो सी only the good part of you. You accept your mistake. But that doesn't mean that every time you'll do the mistake.
True.
Change bit. After 16th, which sum you require? 17, 18?
No, sir.
No. 19? Yes. 19 चाहिए?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
एक आध जन को मिला रहेगा, but majority of you might not have got. I'm doing 19. Rahul, you are there? You got 19? Hello, shall I do 19? See, if everybody got, then
Yes,
I will
sir.
skip. Ayush, karu 19?
Yes.
Okay. Speed of vehicle is increased by 2. So speed of vehicle, if at the start v1, then it is increased by 2, means v1 plus 2. This is static, this is new. Its kinetic energy is doubled, means twice of original. Then the original speed v1 was how much? Half m v2 square is 2 times half m v1 square. Half m cancel. v2 is root 2 times v1. So v1 plus 2 is root 2 times v1. v1 minus 2 equals to root 2 v1 minus v1. v1 into root 2 minus 1. That is 2 upon root 2 minus 1. Till this, I think you might have got the answer. है ना? आयुष, इधर तक तो मिला ना डियर?
Yes, sir.
अभी इसके बाद ना रेशनलाइज कर दो, अगर ये फॉर्म में नहीं रहेगा. Means we'll multiply by root 2 plus 1 and divide by root 2 plus 1. So this will become 2 times root 2 plus 1. This is a minus b, a plus b. So it will be root 2 square minus 1 square. So v1 equals to 2, root 2 plus 1, root 2 square is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is the answer. Just check whether it is given, this format. Yes, it's given. Root 2 into bracket, root 2 plus 1, option D.
Sir, options.
Option C, sorry, option C.
कैपेसिटी है, यानी कि अलग अलग कैपेसिटी.
Done, sir.
After 19, 20, 21,
No, sir.
No.
22, 23. Ankita, any doubt? Hello, Ankita. No doubt. 20, 23, 24, 25.
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
That means 1 to 25, you know everything. You should get full mark. between 1 to 25 वाला सब में फिर now
Yes, sir.
start from 26. Have you done 26?
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
try right now only.
No, sir.
Start 26 in front of me. Start fast. F bar is 4i cap plus 4j cap Newton. Under this force, body is displaced from 0 0 to 1 1. Hello, Ananya. Hello, Ananya. Hello, Ananya. Can you hear me? Ananya, you can hear? Hello? Ananya, you can hear me? Hello, Ananya? Ayush?
Yes, sir.
मतलब आवाज जा रहा है ना? अनिकेत, अंकिता,
Yes, sir.
अनुष्का? अनुष्का?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell how to do forces applied on the body? It moves the body from 0 0 to 1 1. Initial velocity given, final velocity we want. Ayush, any idea?
Delta X, then W is delta K.
That means change in kinetic energy is work done wala concept, correct?
Yes, sir.
Change in kinetic energy is work done wala concept, na?
Yes, sir.
Change in kinetic energy is work done. But work done, can I say it is F bar dot dx bar or dr bar, one and the same? No?
Yes.
Okay. अब ये हो जाएगा half m final velocity square minus initial velocity square equal to work done. F bar is 4i cap plus 4j cap. It's dot with what will be this r bar? 1 minus 0 is I cap. 1 minus this is j cap. So this is 4 into 4, 8 joule, correct? Hello, 8 joule.
Yes, sir.
So half into mass is 1. Final velocity you want, initial is 2 equals to 8. So final velocity square minus 4 is 8 into 2, 16. So final is 20. That means root 20. Root 20 is close to 4.5. Option B. Sorry. Done?
Yes.
Try 27th.
Sir, C.
27th, you are telling?
Yes.
Option C, correct. Others also try 27th. Check whether you are getting option C. If not, then I will solve. Power P is F bar dot V bar. is 10i plus 10j plus 20k. It's dot with 5i minus 3j plus 6k cap. So 10 into 5 plus 10 into minus 3 plus 20 into 6. 10 into 5 is 50 minus 30 plus 120. 20 plus 120 equals to 140. 28th try.
Sir, option B.
28th option B.
Yes.
Others also got same answer. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Power is rate of doing work. So rate of doing work is P dt. Its integration is work, and work is change in kinetic energy. Correct. Option what you said?
B.
Okay. D for Delhi, na?
No, sir. B for what?
So 46 Joule.
Anybody who didn't get the answer? So you have to interact, otherwise how do I come to know? Anushka, you got this answer? Hello, Anushka, Swarno,
हाँ सर
got the answer?
हाँ सर यहाँ पे
$29. Theoretical है यार 29. A particle is moving in a conservative force field from A to B. If UA and UB are potential energies of the particle at point A and B, and WC is work done by conservative force in the process, taking the particle from A to B. Work done by conservative force. What is work done by conservative force in terms of potential energy? Minus of work done is UA minus UB. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So work done against conservative force minus is change in potential energy. So is the answer given A? Just check.
No,
Is
sir.
the answer, what is the answer given?
B.
B. Work done by conservative force. Taking this from A to B. So, B there. A particle is
Yes, sir.
moving in conservative force from A to B. If UA and UB are potential energies of the particle at A and B, WC is work done by conservative force in the process. अच्छा, उन्होंने डायरेक्टली बोल दिया WC is work done, so they have taken care of this, therefore it is free. See, work done against conservative force, total बोला है WC, that is increase in potential energy. Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
See, actually ऐसा आएगा ना, ये मैंने wrong लिख दिया. एक सेकंड ना, फॉर्मूला दे बताता हूँ. So WB, UB minus UA is minus of WC, correct? So minus UB plus UA will become WC. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So therefore it is option B. Increase in potential energy is work done against force. I wrote earlier में A minus B. So this is correct. Important है, theoretical वाले में wrong होने का chance. Next भी बहुत सही सवाल. Many time it is asked. Try 30th. Power, constant power. A body is moved along the straight line by machine delivering constant power, then distance traveled in terms of time. This is constant power. You want relation between displacement and time. The power is Fv, correct? F is mass into acceleration equals to constant. A is V dV by dx into V equals to constant. Therefore, V square into dV by dx equals to constant. This much follow? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Just copy to this. Just copy further. Yes, came till this. You all have come till this.
Yes, sir.
So now we want t, taking that power 3 by 2 on both sides. That means x is proportional to t raised to 3 by 2. Very important, sir. Try 31.
Sir, B.
31b. Which of the following cases the potential energy is defined? Potential energy is defined only in conservative force. Correct. Try 32. But you got the answer.
Option D.
Option D. Okay, correct. Option D is correct. Others also got same.
Yes, sir.
Anybody who didn't got the answer? Hello, anybody who didn't got the answer? All of you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
See, first you find iska magnitude, then half m v final square minus v initial square. Correct. 33. A running man has mass, has kinetic energy half that of boy. Kinetic energy of man is half that of boy. Half that of boy of half the mass. Mass of boy is half that of man. The man speeds up. Man's original speed v1. So he speeds up. v1 dash is v1 plus 1. And then has same kinetic energy as that of boy. The same as that of boy. Then original speed of man and the boy will be how much? Kinetic energy is half of that of K2 at the first condition. This is second, this is first. So by first, half into mass of man into velocity of man square is half of half into mass of boy into velocity of boy square. Half cancel, half cancel. Mass of boy is half of man. So m1 m1 cancel, 4 times v1 square is v2. Therefore v2 is double of v1. Now second case, by case 2. v1 dash, kinetic energy of first man is same as boy. Half m1 v1 dash is v1 plus 1 is half m2 v2 square. That is 2 times v1 square. Half cancel. Please copy till this. Any answer you all got? Yes, getting any answer?
Sir, option B.
Option B. Anybody else got option B?
Yes, sir.
m1 v1 plus 1 the whole square is m2, which is half of mass of man, 2 times p1 square. m1 m1 cancel. So taking square root, v1 plus 1 is 1 upon root 2 twice of v1. This is root 2. So v1 minus root 2 v1. 1 equals to root 2 times v1 minus v1. 1 equals to v1 into root 2 minus 1. So v1 is 1 upon root 2 minus 1. then rationalizing it. So this is root 2 plus 1 upon root 2 minus 1 into root 2 plus 1. That is root 2 plus 1, 2 minus 1. So root 2 plus 1 is the first one and double of this is second one. Option B.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so all of you have got 33 correct. 34. Motor drives the body along straight line with constant force. F is given constant. Then power P developed by the motor must vary how much? Power P and T का चाहिए graph. F is constant. Yes, anybody got the relation power and time? F is constant.
Sir, option A.
Option A. P is directly proportional to T.
Yes.
Maybe correct. How we got that?
Sir, P is FV and F is constant means acceleration is constant.
Correct.
So P is directly proportional to velocity and velocity can be written as distance upon time. I wrote distance as S equal to half AT square.
Velocity can be written as S upon T. You are telling.
Yes, sir. And then S is half AT square. Acceleration is constant.
S is half AT square because U is 0. Correct. चलेगा ये. This is the one. Okay. ये important था. Confusion होने का full chances. 35. Try. See, Wednesday का homework थोड़ा बढ़ा दो because 35 तक तो already I am explaining. So you make it till 60. 36 till 60 you make. And this you make 61 to 85. And Friday it will be 85 till end.
91.
अब till end है. Plus we are going to practice on that day. So उसी दिन खत्म हो जाएगा शायद. 35th you got the answer?
Sir, option B.
Correct. Now see, we have completed in fact all syllabus, and then we are restarting with revision from Saturday. So Friday, if I can complete early, then 2013 का paper discuss कर लूँगा क्योंकि थोड़ा हो गया है. 2013 paper also will discuss.
Sir,
हाँ,
35 they have given C.
35 एक मिनट में check नहीं किया, मुझे लगा right हो. You got C?
No.
What you got as 35?
So I got C.
We'll check if.
So do we
answer is-
have to take 90 plus theta?
Ah, you have to take 90 plus theta. Then you'll get
Yes.
90 plus theta you will take ना, because it is moving up. This is weight and this is velocity. तो ये angle हो जाएगा 90 plus theta. Hello Aniket,
Yes, sir.
take angle is 90 plus theta. तो आपका sin वाला cos हो जाएगा और cos वाला sin हो जाएगा ऐसे. So complete till 35 we have completed. You have to complete till, as I told, increase that 15 sum, so that we can complete everything on Friday itself.